Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ranjita's World. So today I am going to make another recipe which is pudina save. For that we need some ingredients which I am going to show you. That is, first one is 1 bunch of mint leaf, 6-7 oregano leaf, salt as per taste, black salt, a pinch of turmeric, and this is hing asafoetida, and 5-6 green chili, butter, and this is chickpea flour which is known as besan gram flour. This we want 200 gram. So let's start how to prepare it. So we have taken one blender jar. Now I am going to put washed fresh mint leaf into it, and some green chilies. I make it in 2 parts, and this is oregano, 4-5 leaves we have to put in this, and after that I have to make it in fine paste, and then that paste we have to strain it, and we have to use only juice of this fine paste. And then, so look, I grind it and make it in fine paste. So now I am going to strain it in separate bowl. See, look like this. And we have to use only juice, and that extract we have to use in some another chutney, sandwich chutney, or some vegetable gravy you can use it. So now this juice I strain out my. So now next we have to take another bowl, and this bowl we have to put this 200 gram chickpea flour. We have to add 1 spoon of butter into it, salt as per your taste, black salt, a pinch of hing, and a pinch of turmeric. So now we have to make it well. So butter will give it a soft and crunchy flavor taste. And now this juice we have to add and make it soft dough. We are not going to use any color in it because we want only natural flavor. So I am going to add only this mint leaf juice only. So now you can see I make it soft dough. Now we have to take save machine mold. So we have to grease it with the oil properly. So now we have to take little amount of oil in our hand and take it dough so that it will not stick with your hands, and put this dough in this sieving machine. So like this, and then cover it properly. So here my oil going to hit. Let me check. Yes, it's here. So we have to keep our flame on medium flame, and I have to make it very slowly. We have to make it very slowly and carefully, because we are putting oil, so it should be very careful. So let it cook on a medium flame only. If you want to give more green color, so you can add edible green color in this, but I want only natural, so I didn't add any color, only I added green mint leaves. So you can turn it and cook in both sides. See, like this. So now it's cooked already, fried. So we have to take out and keep on a plate. Very carefully you have to do it. So now you can see this is pudina save, it's called, and it is very tasty. You can use it in chaat also, and it is best snack in the evening with tea. You make it, enjoy it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.